To load a blade into the Cos-Tool straight bevel cutter, first remove the blade holding knob. Then align one blade sharp side down onto the blade holder and replace the knob. Blade storage on the Cos-Tool straight bevel cutter can be found on the back of the handle. The Cos-Tool straight bevel cutter can be used either at a 90-degree angle cut or be converted into a 45-degree bevel cutter. To do this, loosen the knob at the base of the tool and rotate the block 180 degrees and then retighten the knob. This converts the tool into a 45-degree bevel cutter. To use the Cos-Tool straight bevel cutter, always use foam board underlayment under the foam you are cutting. Extend the blade out and use the reference marks on the tools to set the depth. Draw the tool across the foam to make a freestyle cut. Or it can be used against the Cos-Tool Channel Rail for a straight cut. To convert the tool from a 90-degree straight cutter to a 45-degree bevel cutter, loosen the screw at the base of the tool and rotate the block all the way around. Then retighten the knob. Now the tool will cut at a 45-degree angle. Or the tool can be used freestyle. Visit our website to see the entire Cos-Tool family.